So let's review what we learned today. And so let's turn like this first. Let's review and. So the fundamentals of and. So chest up. Now first of all, let's set up position. Imagine two suitcases, heavy suitcases, and you have they pull you down. So this is going down, and your posture is up. Your spine is up. Two suitcases down. Yeah, that's the feel. Now from here, how we discover and. So you find this shoulder blade here, lats muscles, and we're gonna compress down and just bounce like this with the two suitcases using gravity and just to discover. Very good. Then we did it the same on the other side. So we change, do the same on the other side, and so you're squeezing and feeling gravity. Now next one, we put our hands like this. So now you're gonna feel it even more. So here, you try to do and without dropping your elbow and tilting your shoulders. Right. And very good. And do it a few times. And next one. Very good. Stop. Now as you squeeze, and is everywhere. Most important action is the cubic motion. Squeezing without losing your posture. What happens next? As you squeeze, your rib cage, your hip, and your leg, your thigh rotate. So let's do it. We did also rotation. Do thigh exercise like this. So no figure eight, just like this on the straight knees. Yes. So your thighs rotate. Yes. Very good. So this motion is very important. This is the biggest muscle. Okay. So do squeeze and rotate same time. Very good. So now also what we discovered here, you have this frame. This is closed. So this is closed and this is open. This is stretched. So we have also interesting changes in our posture. So we squeeze, we rotate, and we have this. Also, when we do connection, as we do end, you give a little bit your hand forward, so we feel each other. So if we do it together, as you do end, do and. You slightly give forward, yeah? And then we try it together, change weight, and without breaking your beautiful posture, of course. Yeah, put your hands like this. Yeah, go. Transfer, and transfer, and. Okay, so next one we did how with it. So close like this, yeah. You can do 90 degrees, okay, yeah, and. So everything starts with the end. So you start with the squeezing, yeah, a little bit on break, very good. Now rotate your hip, rotate your thigh, and. We already connected, and. So first is and. So first is our preparation, and then we have a step, presenting our heel split weight. Then from here we rotate our thigh to get your shoulder over the foot. Yeah, hip is kind of high or neutral, so don't change pendulum yet. Now from here, this is the most difficult one. You're gonna change your turn your shoulders, turn your hip, and as you turn your hip, your knee, the back knee, start to bend, and the foot, toes going towards the ground like this. So never here. So later when you move, you have much more beautiful leg action. That's most important for you. So turn your shoulder, hip, very good. Now keep turning, warm, very good. And now you can rotate this more. And then repeat process from the other side the same way. Step, finish, collect. Yeah, feel more rotation in that leg, more power in that foot. And same time, you want to present this heel without opening this knee. Yes, excellent. Keep your connection a little bit lower. Go. Walk, finish, collect. Excellent. And quick. And go, go, go. Don't stop. Quick and slow. And quick. And quick and slow. Give me more power. And in the legs, more power. And walk and walk and walk. So I want your legs to feel powerful, not your arms. Okay? And then when we translate this, forward box is exactly the same. Just not going to be as aggressive. So number one, you're going to start with a little bit elevated hip, high hip. Beautiful. You put your frame here. Now the next thing, what you're gonna drive your spine and change pendulum a little bit as your shoulder goes towards the foot. Very good. Now from here you start doing your and as you rotate, and here you're gonna connect this. So come here. I want you to show this. So this is the key moment right here. And now from here for you, key moment for you as you do Rumba walk, and as you connect this knee to the other leg, do not drop this foot. So keep dragging your foot with inside edge of the toe. Step, finish. So don't break the hip. So just like, you see, it's like, you see your spine should go, oh yeah, very good. And just pendulum, not hip. Because it's slightly different than the hip. The hip is more aggressive. Collect. And collect more, it's connecting your knees. And walk, go. Yeah. And walk, and go to me. Walk, and a walk, and a walk. Beautiful. Excellent. Walk. Turn your shoulders, hip, connect your legs with the foot. Good. Go whoosh. No, go to the next hip twist. Can you record us?
Yeah, teacher is coming right now. Bye, Jenny. Great to see you.